Good morning, class 6B. Now, we were reading a different kind of school where the writer was in the school because he was curious. He wanted to know that what is so great about the school and why is everybody talking about the school. So he met the owner or of the school, that was Miss Beam, and he saw something very different in the school, that there were children who were blind, deaf, lame, and he thought that this is a very unhealthy school. But Miss Beam told him that how they have all these days to make the students understand about the misfortunes of others and to bring kindness and thoughtfulness in each one of them. So now the writer met a blind girl, and he had an experience with the blind girl where the blind girl told him that how it is difficult to be blind, because they all have a helper, but sometimes the new helpers do not understand that what a blind person is going through, so they find it difficult with them. But somehow the ones who have already been blind in the blind day, they help them perfectly. So now let's continue. So the writer asked, shall I lead you anywhere? The writer asked. Oh yes, she said, let's go for a little walk. Only you must tell me about things I shall be so glad when today is over. The other bad days can't be half as bad as this. Having a leg tied up and hopping about on a crutch is almost fun, I guess. Having an arm tied up is a bit more troublesome because you can't eat without help and things like that. I don't think I'll mind being deaf for a day, at least not much. But being blind is so frightening. My head aches all the time just from worrying that I'll get hurt. Where are you? Where are we now? So she said that being a blind person is blind, and following a blind day is very difficult because you don't know where you are going. You can and since the eyes are closed all the time, your head hurts, and sometimes it feels that we are going to bang our head somewhere. And she thought that okay, being lame can be easy because you just have to have a crutch. So a crutch is a stick where you hold it, so that you, if somebody has just one leg or has hurt one leg. So she said that the other's day must not be as troublesome as the one here, and maybe tied up hand maybe is more difficult because one has to help you there. And she asked the writer that where are we now. So in the playground, I said,